Part 1. The Bass and Electronics. As with all my builds, I like to start from the ground up. In order to showcase my Imperial Star Destroyer, I built a custom-made wooden base that houses all of the audio components and will bring the model to life. Engineering. For the structure, I used 3/4-inch MDF and did a layout for the CNC to route all of the panels precisely. All of the pieces were dry fitted together, then glued in place and stitched with a brad nail gun. In order to give the appearance of a solid wood base, I used a thin sheet of oak veneer and trimmed it to size with scissors, leaving a 1-inch overhang on all sides. Once the desired shape was cut out, I used an iron to adhere it to the MDF panel. The speakers were test-fitted into their openings for proper alignment. The next step involved staining. I opted for the gel stain, which has better uniform coverage than traditional liquid stain. Afterwards, I sealed the stained base with an oil-based high-gloss clear polyurethane to bring out the wood's beauty. Bass electronics. Look for your free download link below in the description. When doing this step, always confirm that nothing is plugged to any outlets. A standard light switch was wired following my electrical diagram that would activate the lights and sound of my build. Make sure that all of the wire connectors are tight and insulated with approved electrical tape. For the audio and lighting package, I decided to use a single output power supply that would convert the voltage from 120 volts AC down to 5 volts DC. I opted for the RSP-75-5 power converter manufactured by Meanwell USA Inc. To verify the voltage being outputted, always check and adjust as necessary with a multimeter. To evenly distribute the current, I used a 6-fused power distributor. An MP3 player with a micro SD card containing the audio files sent the audio to an external amplifier. Since the amplifier I spec'd out operated on 12 volts and my current was at 5 volts, I used a step-up power booster with LED readout to bump up the current from 5 volts to 12 volts. This in turn powered a pair of 150-watt speakers for crystal clear sound. Once everything has been installed correctly, verify that all the wiring connections are in operating order. When completed, flip the base over, and there you have it.